Comet makes me sneeze. Fine. Hey QC, welcome in. Sent 5 towards whatever. Oh my god, thank you. Okay, and then we have, I feel like I try not to use Comet a lot, but I do end up using it a lot, but it makes my nose runny. It makes my nose really runny. And I try not to. I'm gonna go rinse. TV girl. Dang, you guys are good. Yes, it is TV girl. You guys are good. I keep closing my eyes because I don't want... Or if anybody wants to send, I have one list oil. And that is it. Yeah, both are 10. Pinesol and list oil are both 10 each. I do have safety glasses. I don't know where they are, but I do have some. I don't know where they went. What do I smell the most? So right now I'm spending less oil, but I smell more pinesol now. Mostly pinesol. The less oil is still strong, but right now pinesol's taking over. I'm pretty sure if we add more less oil, I'm gonna get more of that less oil scent back up. Send for both and 5 cans. Oh my gosh, V, thank you, my love. Thank you. Okay. I needed more liquid. And thank God I didn't finish adding all the cans. That way it's nice and... It's hard to squeeze because of how pasty it is. You guys like paste? You guys like the paste or runny paste? Like the watery paste? Paste or watery paste? I love paste. Both. I like both too. I like both, but you know what? The only thing I don't like about paste is when it starts splashing. It goes everywhere. Just everywhere. That is the only thing I don't like about paste. Other than that, paste is perfect. Like right now, it is splashing everywhere. The good thing is that we are against a 1 second. Let me clean the sponges so we can do squeezes with the less oil. I have a big bag of Ariel for 16 and I have a few for 9. I think I have 3 bags for 9 each if y'all want to keep adding Ariel. If not, it's totally okay. We can use it for next time. Ugh. Quickly. Oh my god, it smells so good. Juicy. Oh, less oil and pinesol? Yes, ma'am. It smells good.